Давай. That's Kipras trying to restore the old engine because he said we'll do something with it. I don't know what he's gonna do with it.
Nel fotoapparat di Sudigi ada this.
That is called mechanics. He just borrowed rings from the old Vespas. Oh, over there, yeah. Oh. Yeah. He just borrowed from the dyed Vespa cylinder, like piston, and now he's just trying to fit it in because the rings were stuck. So he's gonna do it now. We'll see how it goes. I had an idea to weld a longer this for foot peg. Kipras is restoring the old engine. You can see he's a Red Bull mechanic from F1. He needs a chair. The fuel is dripping. Yep. It's called, in Lithuanian it's Melžėja Kadutė, in English Kelmilka. I don't know what the fuck. How is it called? Now you see Kipras. Wait. He's trying without. What's awesome? Trying to do it without a two-stroke exhaust. It's not gonna work. Just are welding. I'm welding. He's just the coordinator of the shit. We took out the fuel tank because we thought it might caught on fire. I'm gonna give you the fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Let me tell you about my best friend.
Mini fire extinguisher for mini bike.
Yep. It's not filmed what happened. I had the bigger one, but two strokes and me and making stuff work doesn't happen because I lit my snowmobile on fire while starting it. So I'm gonna remove this fucking pin. And here you go. This is for Oscaras to security. And now I'm gonna try to weld it. He's putting it in a stand because he's so fucking lazy. If you know somebody who's very lazy, it's him. It's like he's the laziest person ever. He's putting on a stand.
We drank enough Corona beer that we decided to revive the old engine because it seemed like a good idea and it seems like we did it. So let's hear it roar.
That's what what kind of mechanic you become when you have Russian like old school bikes. Yeah, he'll make it.
Whoops. Oh shit, our throttle body fell off. So, I'm not gonna talk, I'm just going to show you. That's it. Well, you see, the problem is that we're holding our throttle body with a screwdriver open because we don't have a free one, so that's why it's dying down. But it works.
And on the other edge, Oskaras took the work from me, and now he's welding.
So we see that the engine is in working condition and good to go for the track for a few more years.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Come again.
Oh, by the way, guys.
I
so-
told that on the quiet,
Oh,
but you can tell it. Yeah, you can tell your story.
Yeah, so basically we didn't have a good piston ring, so we have this shrine for the motor
Speed gods.
Speed gods, yeah. So we just saw that it's a similar diameter. We took one of the rings from here, which seemed okay. We filed some openings for the ring holder, and basically we made a ring from nothing, and that's how we got it working. So we're happy about that. That's cool. So yeah.
So we finished the welding. We painted a little bit. We already scratched it, but we welded these, I don't know, long screws, like, I don't know, hardware screws, like for I don't know what, but I had them in my garage, so I put them. And now you're like putting all my parts is welding. So mine and Oskaras welding is up to spec. So if you need some kind of welding, you can call us up. So now we're gonna put our headlight on. Always put your headlight on. And now. Our souvenir every time we do a burnout. So yeah, next, or no, I think I'm gonna keep it into this episode or maybe second. I'm thinking of putting the chain guard for it, and I think it's gonna be really good after we put the chain guard on it. And as you can see, it has a headlight, it looks fabulous. Maybe put a seat on it, like custom made, like the MT07 ones. It doesn't need a side stand, so yeah, we're gonna, I don't know, finish. I'm gonna see it later. So if what, I'm gonna say bye. If not, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna just, but after a lot of days, and we're just gonna check it and do it right. And we're gonna see